Good morning, YouTube fam. Hope you guys are all doing well today. We thought we would do a requested video, a day in the life for our business, because a lot of you are curious like how we run our business at home, how we work from home, what exactly we do for our business, LALA HIJABS. So we thought we would kind of take you around for the day, show you what we do, and yeah, stay tuned. So the very first thing that we'll do after we have breakfast is William will start schooling the girls, as you guys have probably seen in some of our other day in the life videos. And then I will come here into our office and sit down in front of the computer and answer emails. Generally around this time, there will be a huge schwack of emails that we kind of need to go through, and so I'll sit down in the office, I'll go through emails, I'll go through Facebook messages, Instagram DMs. Generally our inboxes are like really flooded, but there are certain ones that we will check. And then sometimes I'll also go through YouTube comments, and if you've ever received a heart, that's probably me, going through the comments as much as I can to read them, and I try to read them as often as I can, even if I can't heart everybody's comment or reply to every single one. We do see your comments. So here's part of our office space. There's Barbies all over the couch. You can tell we have little girls. This is generally where me and Will sit to do our live streams. If we ever do them on TikTok or on YouTube, usually we'll be sitting on this couch. And then over here is our desk setup. Super simple. We just have a computer chair here. We have our printer, as well as our, hidden behind there, our label printer. And so we also have our microphone set up. If you don't already know, we also have a podcast. It's called Saleh Family Speaks. You can actually listen to it on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts. You can listen to it on Spotify. And so that's where we will sit down and we'll share the mic and we'll get talking. So this is where our computer setup is. I'll sit down here and I'll go through emails and customer service stuff, and then I'll start printing labels. And that's generally how we use this space. I just went through my emails, everything is good to go there. And then what I'll do is I will go through the LALA HIJABS website, and I will sit down and I'll start printing off labels for all of the orders that have come in from last night, and then print them out, and then we will go downstairs and we'll pack those orders, and then we'll head off to our shipping carrier and drop them off. Also, we just got our new thank you cards in for LALA HIJABS, and like they're seriously so cute. Like just look at how cute they are. I can't get over how gorgeous they are. If you guys haven't already checked out LALA HIJABS, you'll notice that it's like super bright and colorful and not your like typical cookie cutter hijab website. Like we really want it to be different, so like the whole shopping experience is a lot of fun. All of our branding is like super colorful and like pink, yellow, purple, blue. It's just a lot of fun because we wanted to do things differently. Like I feel like every single hijab company that's out there that I know of and that I have ever purchased from is just like super boring, lacks flavor. And that's just not who we are. If you guys know who we are, you'll know that like we're super fun, colorful people, and we enjoy having a good time. And we don't like to sacrifice, you know, like fun for being boring. So that's why all of our branding is a lot of fun, and we are actually currently designing new mailers right now, and we're actually eco-friendly. So like everything that we have, even our silk masks, they come inside of a compostable bag. So everything in terms of packaging is eco-friendly. So everything's compostable, there's zero plastic. We don't believe in using plastic for our brand just because we want to steer clear of as much waste as possible. So everything that you get in our package, you can literally take it and like put it inside your compost bin. It is so cool. Okay, so I've got all of our labels printed, so we are going to head downstairs and start packing. What are you gonna do?
Could you come inside too?
I might pop it.
Wait till the sound changes?
Yep, wait till the sound changes.
So, while the children
are spoiled rotten.
So while they're back there playing, we're gonna get to work. So as you can see here, I'm grabbing some tissue paper. All of our bags that our masks are in are actually 100% compostable. And then I usually grab a thank you card, I grab their packing slip, and I wrap it all up. And I do this process for every single package that we have to send out for the day.
Alright guys, so we've got our bags. Now we have to go and do the other part, which is usually my job, but because the mall's opened up today, we're gonna go to the mall as well, and everybody gets to come along for the ride.
Zainab, where are we going today?
Time
Are you so excited? How long has it been since we've been to the mall?
out! 9 years?
9 years!
Mickey Mouse.
She wants to go to the Disney store.
Let's hope they're open. Where are we going?
So Miss Amina over here is gonna demonstrate our new kids-friendly masks. Do you wanna?
Kids, LALA. There we are.
Perfect! Oh, this part.
LALA hijab friendly masks.
And before we go into the store, we always wear our masks, and you probably have seen us talk about these before, but these are our masks. They're made of mulberry silk, and they're hijab friendly, so they go around the head and around the back of the neck, and I can actually tighten both of them so they're fully adjustable. And then not just that, but they're mulberry silk, and you can also insert the filter. And there's also a nose wire for people that wear glasses, like William wears glasses.
Sometimes.
And they save your ears, so you don't have to worry about your ears hurting, because that's no fun. And we made them with mulberry silk because we don't like mask acne, because that's no fun, and they're super, super gentle on the skin and hypoallergenic, and they're in stock. So definitely check those out. We'll link those down below. What did we get?
Some balloons and My Little Ponies.
So a huge thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. By the time that we got home, we were exhausted from the day. And that's why we love coming home to these boxes. Seriously, it is so nice to have fresh, pre-measured ingredients delivered right to our door. If you haven't heard of HelloFresh before, they make cooking at home fun, easy, affordable. They basically send you fresh meals and you get to cook them at home, and all of the ingredients are fresh. And the recipes are so delicious, you guys. I'm not kidding you. I'm a really picky eater, but every single recipe I have tried from HelloFresh has been absolutely delicious. And I just love that I'm able to cook and try new things that normally I wouldn't try. And there's actually a lot of veggies that they have sent us in these packages that I now love that I didn't actually eat before. And the coolest part is that HelloFresh has more 5-star recipes than any other meal kit, so you'll know you'll always get something that's delicious and you get to pick what you want to. You excited?
Yeah.
What are we doing? Hello
I got the
Fresh.
mushroom.
Okay, so we're taking all the ingredients out.
I think that's...
This is their favorite part, is unboxing all of the yummy food. That's cauliflower.
Ow.
Mushrooms.
There's lots of stuff, Zainab. Keep getting
This
it.
looks like parsley.
It looks like onion. We have an onion.
Yep, there's an onion. Even comes with the little cream cheese. What else?
Zainab? Grab it. I'll leave the last one.
Okay, this is Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese.
Garlic. More cream cheese. What's this, Zainab? It says sour cream. See, look, it comes nice in portions, so we have enough. Is there anything else in there?
It doesn't... Oh, yeah.
Vegetable broth. That's awesome.
Here we are.
That's it? Is it empty?
Nothing in it.
Okay, should we see what we have to do first?
Sure.
One thing about us guys that you might know or you might not know is that we're usually a pretty busy family. We usually have a lot on the go, whether that's homeschooling the kids, whether that's the business like you guys are going to learn about today, or if that's just life in general, traveling to the beach, here, there. We're always kind of on the go. So that's why we really love the idea of just coming home after a long day and being able to just kind of everything be prepared for you, throw it all together and have a nice healthy meal with the family.
Oh, it's parsley and thyme. Ooh, I've actually never used fresh thyme before. I've always used
Why is it
dried.
called?
Dried
Why
thyme.
called?
Yeah.
Why is it called thyme?
Because when you're in a hurry, you got no time.
You guys, we save so much time and we don't have to stress about meal planning because most of their recipes are really quick, like between 10, 20, 30 minutes. So they're basically oven ready. You just have to kind of prep the food and get everything ready to go. And it's so quick and so easy. There's no running to the grocery store. There's no trying to figure out what you need to buy. It's just already pre-portioned and ready to go. And another reason why we love it so much is it's very flexible. It fits our lifestyle. So you can choose to skip a week if you need to. You can choose what delivery day you want. You can choose your own food preferences. We obviously always opt for the vegetarian option.
But the most important job, and the one that I am in charge of because I always get this one right, is boiling the water. I normally don't burn it, although there has been instances where I have. What are you gonna do?
Okay, so I'm taking the cauliflower and I just put a whole bunch of thyme.
Isn't that the most beautifully diced cauliflower you've ever seen in your life?
It's pretty good.
It's because I did it.
And then all the mushrooms.
What oil do you prefer?
Vegetable or avocado.
Or olive?
Or olive.
People
So,
have
pepper.
Pepper. You have to talk in the French accent.
This is the pepper.
It's like a ratatouille.
And then salt. And I find that mushrooms taste really good when you have like a lot of salt.
So what you're saying is mushrooms by themselves don't taste very good.
They taste good. I love mushrooms.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan. Okay, now we're just gonna mix it all up.
What you doing? Looking off into the distance.
Okay, so we have all the veggies.
All the veggies?
All the veggies.
What about these veggies?
Not those veggies.
I don't know why you're crying so much.
We have the main veggies.
It's only onions.
We're gonna put them in and we're gonna set the timer.
There.
What are you girls doing?
Garlicing.
Doing garlicing? Look at you go, hey?
So William realized that this pot was too small, so we have now transferred it to said pot.
No, I realized don't let Sana choose the pot.
They were just big, I didn't realize it. I didn't realize how much bigger they were. So now they're in there, now they're chilling. And we also have our onion going and the girls are still peeling garlic. We love garlic. Okay, so I just added the reserve pasta water and now I'm adding the vegetable broth. Concentrate. So if you didn't already notice, everything that came inside of these bags was pre-portioned. So there's less prep for us and less wasted food. You're not getting a whole bunch of potatoes or a whole bunch of onions. You're getting exactly what you need for the meal. So that's what makes HelloFresh so sustainable. And I also love that they give back. They're actually really committed to making fresh, delicious food available now more than ever, and they take extra steps to keep their employees and their customers safe, especially during the pandemic. They actually stepped up their food donations and gave over 4 million meals to charity just last year alone. So that really resonates a lot to us because we love charity, we love giving back, and HelloFresh gives back so much.
It's the moment of truth. Drum roll, please.
I'm like such a sucker for anything with garlic. If it's garlicky and it's creamy and it has mushrooms, like it's like really hot though.
I can't do it anymore. Ding! What do you think?
The sauce is really nice.
You called that though. You said it was gonna be good. How can it not be good when it's got garlic and onions and cream and...
That is so good. It's so creamy. I wasn't sure how the cauliflower would taste on top, but it's really good.
I find cauliflower kind of absorbs the flavor of whatever it's kind of mixed with, which is the only reason I like to eat cauliflower.
All right, well, moment of truth.
It smells pretty good.
It smells so good. Anything with garlic and like that creamy sauce, oh my god.
I'm just pretending as I don't know anything about cooking. So here we go. Doesn't really taste squash though.
No.
Just,
It tastes like cheese.
well, yeah, I think the cheesy sauce kind of takes over everything.
Yeah.
Which makes it so good because it's like a cheesy garlic sauce.
Yeah.
It's so good.
It's so good. So by now you guys are probably drooling. So go to HelloFresh.com, use our promo code Saleh12 and you'll get 12 free meals with free shipping.
All right, guys, so we finished up our dinner and it was amazing. If you guys haven't used HelloFresh already, I would highly, highly, highly recommend it. The food is incredible, and obviously what we love most about it is not only is it healthy, but it speeds up the cook time, prep time. It eliminates having to go around and go to the grocery store, and eliminates a lot of the food waste as well. So do check it out, guys. I can't say enough good things about them. It's healthy food, it's quick food, it's not wasteful, and there's just so many different varieties to choose from if you have dietary restrictions like we do. Obviously we don't eat the meat. Not saying you can't if you're if you don't have a restriction, but they definitely make it so easy to just literally, you know, like for our busy lifestyle, it's incredible that we can go out and about and do whatever we have to do, come home, and it's not just like picking up, you know, fast food on the way home, because at the end of the day, we got to take care of what God has given us, and that is our bodies, our health, and our well-being. So to have good, healthy, fresh food is something that we definitely would recommend to everybody. So yeah, we're just gonna chill out now. The weather kind of changed a little bit, but that's okay because it's still summer and I'm outside and the kids are playing with their My Little Ponies. Quick sneak peek of our backyard. This is definitely the girls' most favorite thing to do outside, although the sprinkler is pretty epic as well. Well, it's not hooked up right now, but that's our view. How beautiful is that? For city life, that ain't bad, guys. That ain't bad. All right, everybody, that is a wrap for today. Thank you so much for tagging along. Stay tuned for our next adventure. I know that we do have some plans here in the near future, weather permitting. You know what, honestly, who cares? It's summer, I don't care if it rains. Just glad to be out of the house. Set the notification bell so that you guys know when we have our new uploads, as well as leave us a comment. Let us know what your favorite dish is, because we love food and we love to cook food, healthy food. So do what you have to do. Bye for now.